The fact that you're asking this question, it means that you're overthinking or you're trying too hard. And trying too hard to meditate is the number one reason why you don't get the results as fast as it is possible. In this video, I will explain why you're doubting yourself and what is meditation and what to expect, and also where to start. Well, if you are doubting yourself and your meditation practice, you're not alone. There are tons of information on meditation, on the benefits of meditation, but there are no clear guidance or instructions how to do it properly. Meditation used to be practiced by monks and mystics for religious purposes or higher spirituality purposes, but it wasn't really meant to be practiced by you and me. And that is why there's no clear understanding of how meditation can be practically applied to our normal daily life or daily activities. I am doing live virtual class on meditation for beginners. The link is down below in the description area, and you can check it out to see when is the next class, and you can join for free. What is meditation? Well, first of all, meditation is a noun. It is not a verb as we are using it because there's no alternative for the act of meditation. But meditation, actually, it is thinking in silence. And in my opinion, meditation is a state of being alert, mindful, awake, and conscious at any given moment. That is when you're in a meditative state. Let me give you an example that you can probably relate. Let's say that it is at nighttime and you're sleeping and it is dark, and all of a sudden you hear some noises from outside your porch or your living room, and all of a sudden you wake up and all of your attention goes towards your hearing and you're trying to hear what is going on while you're still thinking in silence that what is your next step. You bring your all of your attention to the present moment. So basically, meditation is the same thing. Here are a few points that I want to talk about right now. The state of being does not require you to do anything. So the moment you stop trying to do something, your awareness will be awake and alert, and you are in that meditative state of mind or state of being. So it doesn't require you to do anything. And also, the position of your body, the position of your hands, or where you sit, or how you sit, and what you do, and what time, it's just not important at all. So just keep that in mind. The second point that I want to talk about is that sit down meditation that you've seen people do, it's not the beginning stage. That for that stage, you will need to have prepared yourself physically, mentally, and spiritually to sit down and do meditation sessions. And meditation sessions, it has its own requirements. Like I said, it is not for beginners. So where to start? The start of meditation practice is by awareness, by developing your physical, mental, and spiritual awareness while you're not meditating. While you're doing your daily, normal, routine activities, you will need to embed the meditation or this awareness, basically awareness into those activities to bring your attention, to bring your focus to the present moment. That is the start. Watch this next video in which I talk about different activities that will elevate your physical awareness, which will help you to go in the right direction. And this is going to be the start of your meditation journey. And I'll see you there.